Hi, this is Kathy from Kathy's Crochet Closet, and today I'm going to show you how to single crochet onto a purse handle. I use this technique in the garden party bag pattern, and it's a little bit tricky, so I wanted to make sure you had a video so you could see how to do it. If you've ever crocheted into a ponytail holder, it's the same idea. So for the first stitch, we're going to insert the hook in the center of the ring, grab the working yarn, and now I'm going to go ahead and yarn over as usual, and then I'm going to complete my first single crochet. First one's pretty tight, so I had to give it a little help. So there's one stitch, and it didn't seem too bad, but as you go along, your hook is going to get kind of locked into the top of the handle, and so your left hand's going to have to help you more with moving the yarn around. So at this point, I really can't insert my hook easily without sliding my first stitch all over the place. So I'm going to use my thumb, which is now on top of the ring, and grab the yarn and go ahead and insert my hook into the yarn that way. And now I come around the back and yarn over, and there I've completed a single crochet. And I want you to make these stitches pretty tight so that the bag doesn't move around on the handles all the time. So give it a nice snugging there. And let's try another stitch. I'm using my thumb to pull up the yarn for that first yarn over, and now here's the yarn over that completes the stitch, and pull through. I'll just keep showing you a few of these. It does get easier the more you do it. So I'm grabbing with my thumb, pulling it up, because my hook can't really move other than to pull the stitches through. And you can see I've already got about 5 stitches, and I would like you to keep them tight and keep that yarn close together. Let's do one more. Bring it up, coming around, and pull it tight. And there's the technique. Hope you have fun making the bag.